Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint with the Federal Trade Commission. Filing a complaint is a powerful way to help the FTC identify widespread fraud and unfair business practices. While the Commission doesn't typically resolve individual disputes, your information is vital. It contributes to a massive database, which law enforcement agencies across the country use to spot trends, launch investigations, and take action against companies harming consumers. Your voice truly makes a difference in protecting others. Before you begin filing, gather all the essential details. You'll need the name and contact information of the company or person involved, along with specific dates, times, and locations of the incident. Document any financial losses, such as the exact amount of money lost or charges incurred. Also, collect copies of any relevant documents like receipts, emails, or contracts. Having this information ready will make the filing process much smoother and more effective, ensuring your complaint is comprehensive. To file your complaint, visit the official Federal Trade Commission website, which is ftc.gov. Once there, navigate to the File a Complaint section. You'll then select the appropriate category for your issue, whether it's identity theft, a scam, or an unfair business practice. Carefully provide all the requested information in the online form, being as accurate and thorough as possible. Before submitting, take a moment to review your complaint to ensure every detail is correct and complete. After you submit your complaint, it's added to the Federal Trade Commission's Consumer Sentinel Network database. This extensive database is accessed by over 2,000 law enforcement agencies, including federal, state, and local authorities, across the United States and even internationally. While the FTC generally doesn't resolve individual consumer disputes, your information is incredibly valuable. It helps these agencies identify patterns, build cases, and take enforcement actions against companies engaged in deceptive practices, protecting countless consumers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.